Hello, here I am again. Back with some more. Still doing an evening recording because this website's still not. I'm getting worried about it now. So, this is the second lesson of week 3. Week 3 is the week that begins January the 18th, and we're moving on to Unit 6, which is making it big. And I am going to make it small. Here we go. In fact, I am going to leap from one goldfish bowl to another, and I'm going to disappear for now so I can do the introduction. Okay. Right. So, making it big, Unit 6. There will be a big language focus here about expressing quantity. You know, everything that we can do with a lot of. And I suppose, yeah, the big thing with English, of course, is can you count it or can't you? So, for example, many cars, much traffic. Okay, how much traffic is outside? How many cars are in the car park? But we can also say a lot of. We are also going to look at vocabulary, words with variable stress. Then we're going to have a look at some business expressions and numbers, could be quite useful. We're going to read about some Scandi successes, Scandinavians, listen to some advertisements, and then we're going to have a look at report writing. But first of all, he says, after talking for ages, what are these goldfish bowls about? A satisfied customer is the best business strategy of all. Yeah. Is it a natural urge to always want more? An urge is more than just a wish or a desire. It's more of a primitive, instinctive feeling. Is it a positive to always want more? Why or why not? Think about times in your life or people that you know. Maybe you got a better job with more money or you moved into a bigger house. Do you always want more? Do you buy more things to fill your house with? When you've got more money, do you spend more money? Yeah, the quote that we just had, how do companies forget about a satisfied customer being the best strategy of all? Do you know any companies that you think get it right? How do they get it right? Okay. I'm going to talk to you about this face to face. So I think the best thing we can do here is just to move straight on. Now, don't forget, there's always a video introduction to each unit, and I'd like you to watch the video introduction. Just just for a bit of background information and vocabulary. Okay, right. Let us move on to the page that's loading. I think I need to press pause. Okay, that was 2 seconds to you, but for me it was more like 5 minutes. And we're going to have a look at expressions of quantity. Okay, underline the words that can go with the expressions of quantity. We can have a few difficulties and a few failures. Okay, don't forget, a few is a positive thing. Okay, I've seen it a few times, I've seen it sometimes. Very few means hardly any, or just few on its own, but a few is a positive thing. Okay, we can only use a few with countable words. So I've had a few difficulties with the website. We've had a few failures with the exam, but not many. Okay, we can't use it with profit or research because they are uncountable. Okay, so I'm going to put up the answers. What I want you to do is read through this, underline the ones that you think you can use, and then I'm going to put up the answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Many for plurals, several for plurals. Very little, not much, and a bit of, oh look, these ones are uncountable. Okay, and a lot of, and the other ones as well. Let me just quickly go through this. Yeah, these ones, they work with everything. So these ones, you can't count them. You can't have unemployments. Okay, room here means place or space, not rooms in a house. Yeah. We'll go on to the next part in a moment.